In this topic, we're going to start simplifying complex numbers. Now on the screen you notice that there are the variables I. I actually means imaginary numbers. So what you need to know is that if you ever get I squared, that's going to equal to -1, and I is going to equal to the square root of -1. Now if you remember, you cannot take the square root of a negative number. Well, that's the beauty of imaginary numbers. So let's look at the first example. Here we have 3 plus 9i plus 4 minus 5i. Now because we're adding these together, we can rewrite it and drop the parentheses. Now all you need to do is combine like terms. So 3 and 4 go together to get 7. And then 9i minus 5i combine to get a positive 4i. Let's take a look at the second example. In this example, you need to notice that these are right next to each other, so that's going to mean multiply. So I'm going to take 3 times 4 and get 12. 3 times negative 6i to get negative 18i. Negative 2i times 4 to get negative 8i. And then negative 2i times negative 6i to get a positive 12i squared. Now I need to go back and simplify all this. Do you remember before how I squared is actually equal to -1? So now I'm going to have 12 minus 18i minus 8i plus 12 times -1. When I simplify all this, I get 12. I'm going to combine these like terms to get negative 26i. And then this last part is going to be minus 12. Now to combine like terms one more time, I get 12 minus 12, so that's 0. So I'm just left with negative 26i.